All right, today is Palm Sunday in the Philippines, the start of Holy Week. There's a lot going on here. Today, like I said, is Palm Sunday. The Catholics will go to church. They get what's called palaspas. They're leaves from the palm tree, and they're made into different shapes and sizes and things like that. A lot of vendors will sit outside the church and everything, and they'll sell them before you come in. And what they do is they go into the church, and they wait for the priest who's given the Palm Sunday ceremony. What he does then is everybody holds them up in the air, and the priest will sprinkle it and give a blessing and stuff. And then the people will go home, and they'll put them on their doors, or they'll put them in their windowsills, or put them on the roof. And it's supposed to bring them like good fortune for the year, and get whatever negative presence or whatever negativity is in their house. It's supposed to get rid of that. But you know, the palm tree and the palms represents, you know, Jesus when he came into the what was it, Jerusalem on the donkey, and how they laid all the palm trees down and stuff. But yes, today is Palm Sunday. Now, I did a video on that last year. I didn't get up there this year to do it. I want to cover a couple other things, but I'll leave that video down below, where it's in the video title. It'll say show more. If you're not aware of that, just click down and it shows more of what the video is about, and in there I'll leave the link. But anyways, I'm gonna head down the road here. They actually set up some areas down here, like right down the road here, where they're gonna, you know, be reading the pabasa. Pabasa is different than pabasa is different than palaspas. I know, that's a tongue twister. Say that 10 times real fast. But anyways, I'm gonna head down there and check that out. But before I do that, I give you the one, the only, here, flip that down. Miss Liberty, this is her cameo shot today. She just woke up, and she is ready to go, I think.
Say hello?
This is the time of the day when she wakes up, and this is when she becomes a nitznutz.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna head down the road here and show you what they got set up down here. I was told, let's talk to one of the neighbors here, and we were told that they actually come right down the road here that we're on, and they drag crosses down through here. The men will drag crosses down through here, and they will, you know, whip themselves, self-flagellation, and it's quite bloody. It's quite kind of gruesome to see, but it's part of the tradition here. But if we're on the main road, we're going to get a front row seat to everything. I guess it's good and it's bad, because when they do, here, let me turn this here and I'll show you what they do. You know, like I said, the men will whip themselves, and I'll film that for you guys, and you'll see that, and the dragging of the cross. But when they do that, it is very bloody, like I said, and the car sits right on the road, so that'll get covered in blood. And if you're standing next to them, you'll get covered in blood. But yeah, let's go down here and check this out. I mean, they got Pabasa 2018. There's a sign right there hanging. There's a lot of people down here right now, so I'm going to kind of stroll down here and check it out, see what's going on. So yeah, this is where it's at, right down here. Said they're setting everything up. This is to Pabasa. Looks like a party going on. I don't know. Running their lights. Hello. This is the where they'll be reading the scriptures and singing songs. And hello. Afternoon.
My friend, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah,
oh, come on.
Happy Pabasa.
Happy Pabasa.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh. They tried to trick me.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Yeah, they're, it's like a little picnic, a little party going on here. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this is it right here. Hello. Morning. Hello. It's a very big event here this whole week. Oh, salamat, thank you. But yeah, this is where they will have it. I'll definitely be down here checking it out. Hello. Yeah, this is where it takes place. It's all makeshift. They'll shut this street down. Now you see it's how it's made. Styrofoam and bamboos. Yeah, let's head back up this way. Now here are the crosses here that they'll use to, yeah. Yeah, here's the crosses they use. They'll drag these through the streets and everything.
I pay you tomorrow.
I have no money. I'm broke. My asawa has all my money.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Why? She takes it.
I buy, just only one red horse only.
He's looking for a loan for some red horse. A little festival going on here. Everybody's got their Coca-Colas. Yeah, these readings go on all night long.
Hi, Tara.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Good.
Nina! Nina!
Yeah, they'll have lights up and everything. Looks like they're stringing lights here. Hi. All right, we'll head over to the next street. I was told the street that Luis's friend Borgs is on. They have stuff going on there too. So let's head over there and check it out. Right there's the sign. Abasa 2018 Baroque Delo Homesite. All right, as I'm heading down here, I see more tents set up. This might be a birthday party. I don't know. Tents and balloons. So this might be a party. I'm not sure. But I know the all down through here, you can see. All the way down through here. They got banners, flags hanging. I know the gold and red is part of the Holy Week here. Yeah, I think this is a party or a celebration. Probably a party, I'm not sure. Hello. Yeah, who knows? I don't know. It could be a birthday party. It could be celebrating the Holy Week. Yeah, this here is. Another Pabasa station, it looks like. So there's two Pabasa stations. One street over from the other. Well, one street and then it skips a street. But this is the road that Luis's friend who has a Sorry Sorry store is on. So she's right here. These kids here have... That's what you're going to see later this week.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Hello. Apo.
What's your name?
Brian, what's your name? What's your name? Oh, nice to meet you. Hey, here's another Pabasa station. Boards. Pabasa 2018. This is where they do the scriptures, prayers, and readings inside here. We'll come down when they start this, and we'll definitely come and check it out. Boy, boards is. This is the other entrance to the Pabasa. You want to be in picture? No. Guys, here's boards. And her Sorry store is right there, like right here. And she sleeps in there and everything, but she definitely won't sleep this week because they say the prayers are all night long, right? It's all night long, music all night long, so. But you know what? Good for business, so. Good for business.
Very good business.
Yeah, good for her. Good for her business, but yeah, she's right here. I got the screen up on the camera. They can all see themselves. They're laughing, giggling, and posing for the camera. Everybody's in a very cheerful mood. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello po.
Hello. You know what I was told today? Hello. You know what I was told today is the prices of vegetables are going up for this week because some people give up eating meat, so they eat vegetables and fish. So I was told the price of vegetables and fish go up. But anyways, I'm gonna head down the street here because I was told it's every other street. So we'll head down there and we'll find out for sure if that's true or not. Yeah, everybody is out today. Everybody is selling something. Every store, every side vendor is open, selling things. Here's another Pabasa station right here. Not as big. I actually found the basketball court here. I didn't know there was one here, but I knew there was somewhere one here. But yeah, here's another Pabasa station right here. Each one is different. They're designed different. So here is the Estilo Nino Chapel here. It's a local, I guess, chapel area here where I'm at, where we live. Alright, we're gonna head down this way. It's like another area. Hello. Like another area down here where they set up for Pabasa. Yeah, another Pabasa station right here. Yeah, you can see the difference in the stations. You know, the paintings in the back and the drawing, or the what's in the back. Yeah, completely different than the other ones. Video, yeah. So he's dragging his cross. I know this has nothing to do with Holy Week, but check out these beautiful flowers. I mean, they are beautiful. Foot would love them. What's her favorite color? Yellow. Guys, here's another one they're setting up. I'm gonna have to come down here at night during the week and show you with it all lit up. Hello! Stringing the lights. Here's another station right here. Here's another area where they're staging the crosses for the men to drag through the street here. I don't know if you can see them all. But yeah, they'll be dragging these crosses through the street. Just to give you an idea, they are pretty big. And they are probably pretty heavy. I don't know, I never lifted one up. I never drug one myself. But there they are. Alright, so I'm heading back to the store right now. Just wanted to show you what it's like here. And this is all new to me here, because this is the first time I've actually been over in this area and seen how they celebrate the Holy Week over in this area. So it's definitely going to be interesting. It's going to be something different, something I've never experienced in a small community like this. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how the hood prepares for Holy Week here in the Philippines. And you guys stay tuned this week, because I'm definitely going to capture a lot of video every day, so you can see how the Philippines celebrate Holy Week.